Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'd like to talk about one of the most valuable devices you should have on your water jet, and that is a high pressure water gauge. A high pressure water gauge is essential for two reasons. The first being safety, and the second, the health and performance of your water jet pump. So let's talk about safety for a minute. The most important thing for any water jet pump is that it operates within its specified pressure range. If the pump is overloaded, this can potentially harm workers around the machine. The other thing a high pressure water gauge is essential for is that it enables you to check that the water jet pump and the high pressure lines are completely depressurized before performing any maintenance. If you've got no visibility, you've got risk on your hands. If we move on now to the health and performance of your pump, as we mentioned, it's essential that water from the pump is effectively transmitted to the cutting head so that the system isn't overloaded. Without a high pressure gauge, you've got no way of knowing if your pump is working excessively, and this can cause internal damage leading to expensive repairs. A high pressure gauge is also essential for monitoring for leaks on the machine or line. A drop in pressure indicated on the gauge is a sure sign you've got a leak somewhere, and it's absolutely critical that you fix these high pressure leaks fast, as left long enough they can wreak havoc on the internals of your pump. A high pressure gauge also allows for the pump to operate at its maximum pressure safely. And what this means is faster cutting, and with abrasive water jet systems you can use less garnet. So in summary, a high pressure gauge not only allows you to be kept safe and is essential for troubleshooting and fixing problems, it also allows you to run your water jet machine at its highest productivity. Now, the gauges that we sell at Performance Waterjet have the Plus Performance feature. And this particular feature dampens vibration and pulsation from the line, which in turn leads to many years of dependable service. They're rated to 100,000 PSI and can be fitted to any water jet system on the market today. I trust you found this video insightful. Thank you for watching and take care.